Great news. Great news. My custom intake is here. Let's go check it out. Yeah, you now rocking with Rips Whips. Big box. Whew. Let's check it out. Custom intake for the G80. Yeah. And I got some new toys, carbon fiber. I'm gonna bust it all out of the wrapper, and then I'll show y'all what it looks like. Yeah, top secret for a second. We out here shining, man. That's how we know. Yeah. That's a lesson for me. Yeah, yeah. That's a lesson for me. Taught only to do king-ish, never be a peasant. Live in the present, prepare for the future. And if it's for me, well the feeling is mutual. Believing in yourself, well, nigga, that is crucial. And anybody that don't, well, hell, then they useless. Yeah, let them stay where they stayin' is, cause somebody gotta play somebody up for the audience. Yeah, and let them know this wasn't overnight grind and shine. This was go get it all the time. Turn $1 million out of dime and a dream about a thought. Lost a couple of my people when we ran into that fork in the road. Maybe our destination is the same, but we just had to take a different lane. Yeah, on approach to success. If you supposed to be there, then I guess I'll see you there. Yeah, you know, ain't no hard feelings, man. You know, you just do your thing.
On approach to success. If you supposed to be there, then I guess I'll see you there.
That's a lesson for me. Gotta get up off your ass and go get this here for real. Yeah, don't matter if you blessed or you sick. Gotta get up off your ass, boy, and go and get them chips. Yeah, ain't got. Well, it's coming together. You know, I couldn't use this part. I don't got the right connections and stuff to hook to the turbo and all that. They just had a silicone hose. I really ain't going for that. That shit might get too hot, burn up. You know what I'm saying? Melt on the turbo, then we got big boy problems. So I don't even want to play with that. So I just put the stock joint back on there. And we're going to cap these things off, man. Go test it. Yeah, top secret for a second. We out here shining, man. That's how we know. Yeah. That's a lesson for me. Taught only to do king-ish, never be a peasant. Live in the present, prepare for the future. And if it's for me, well the feeling is mutual. Believing in yourself, well nigga, that is crucial. And anybody that don't, well hell, then they useless. Yeah, let them stay where they stayin' is, cause somebody gotta play them with the audience. Yeah. Alright, so there she is. There she is. Okay. It's a work in progress. It's a prototype. Still working on tightening up a couple things, you know what I mean? But it's something serious. Now I'm finna run it, test it. We gonna test it, you know what I mean? See what's going on. And yeah, so the intake is is beautiful for sure, and it's currently working well. So I'm gonna run it for a couple months, keep making some other little alterations, changes, things that I think that I could do to make it better, and you know, we gonna go from there. You feel me? So yeah, Emma, she doing her thing. You know, yes sir.